This is a video of where we are at the moment, and chocolate biscuits and a cup of tea. This is the kitchen units. This one here has got the mains in because the oven's going in there, and we had that 200 volts comes in there, so I had to cut that in. We got these to go on. These are all bolted in place. These are all solid. That one, except for that one, that's going to take the gas cooker. So I've got to level that up. First I've got to drill through, put a hole through outside where the gas canisters, it's low pressure gas, goes outside. This is the cupboard for the oven. Then we've got another one there. Then we've got those to put up. I've got to reinforce that part up there inside the wall, because we've got to hang those on a rail like this. They all hang on there. This is going to be bolted together. I've just done this. The Narco and I'm sorry, the camera girl and I. Oh dear. We're working on this at the moment. We've got to put a light up there, but I've got to carry this wire and put it down here and put a switch in so we can turn it on. And we're going to put a light under here, under those cabinets there with a switch down there, so we can put that lighting on there. And then the worktop goes across there and down there. We put that light, that extension there, the socket over there, so we've got three. We're debating whether to put another one over here, just there. And this is how we are. We've got stuff all over the place. Yeah, I would show you the packing cases and all the boxes and that from IKEA over by the bedroom, which you can't move. But that picture there that Monaco took, the camera girl, I'm sorry, I know. The camera girl took over there has been a godsend, because that shows you, it's an old house, that shows you where the framing is. And obviously we tried to go into these frames. That there is here, and that one there is this one. These horizontal ones, I've marked the verticals, but the horizontal ones are all on that line there. They're about 450 mil apart, and we have to try and tie in. You can't always tie in, which is we can't tie in up there. So I'm going to cut that out and reinforce behind inside the wall, inside there, and then hang this rail up there to hang the cupboards up there, because this is, we had plywood put in here instead of the ordinary sheetrock, which is shit. We've had this plywood put in so we can screw in. All of these are screwed into the plywood. Without that plywood, we'd be in real trouble now. And the doors haven't long been here, those doors. But anyway, that's where we are now. That's the kitchen job. Oh, we got the water down there. We've done this here, which was good. We cut those in. That's nice. We got to have a plumber come in to do this, because I don't know why. We have to have an electrician, but because over here you have to have a qualified electrician to come and connect up that. So I've done everything except put the plug on. All he's going to do is put the plug on, and that's it. These, we've got to have them come in and do this. That has to be a qualified person, they say. Once I've seen them do this, I shan't ask them in again, I'll do it myself. But I don't know. I think that's just a pressure joint. They're not screwed like they are in America with copper or with PVC. These are very soft. So I don't know the correct way of doing that. But once I've seen him do it, I shan't bother again. I shall do it myself. That's it, I think. We've got to put a vent up there. That's a big sucker, that is. That's a big bugger. That's the outline of it, roughly. But it's off centre.
Not anymore.
Hey?
Not anymore.
Oh, no. We've changed now. So we had this offer of a different vent, and we can make it work, I think. So So the next thing is going to be bolt all these in, get them all in, put a worktop on, so we can then work off where the gas pipe has to come through and drill the hole outside so that the gas people can come and make the connection, and then that's that. And once we've got these shelves in and the drawers, that's a major exercise, all these drawers in, we can start emptying some of these bloody racks. We've got racks all over the place. And we can start emptying some of these and dismantling these and making a bit of space. And that's it. And as you can see outside, it was snowing, it's not snowing now, but it's beautiful, isn't it? Freezing, my God, is it cold out there. Jesus Christ. I would describe how cold it is, but the camera girl told me off last time for saying that my cadges are the size of acorns when I go out there. Anyway, that's how cold it is out there, so I don't like to go out there in the daytime. But it's sunny, we've pruned all the trees down there, and that's it, and that's the view we've got over the little village down there. But you don't see anybody out there. That's it. I'm going now. Finish my cup of tea, and we're going out this afternoon to go and get some warm clothes. Cheers.